It's no secret that Tesla is revolutionizing the electric vehicle market, and the Cybertruck is a striking example of this innovation. However, behind the futuristic design and the bulletproof steel exoskeleton, the company faces monumental challenges in production, especially concerning the 4,680 battery cells, the true protagonists of this story. Let's delve into how Tesla is tackling these obstacles and the strategies being implemented to overcome them. So, get ready for a behind-the-scenes look at Tesla and its efforts to turn the revolutionary concept of the Cybertruck into reality. In the journey to produce the groundbreaking Cybertruck, Tesla encountered one of its greatest challenges, the manufacturing of the 4,680 battery cells. Here, the company embraced a revolutionary approach by introducing dry electrode coating to expedite and reduce the cost of the process. The idea behind this method is promising, but transitioning from theory to practice on a massive scale has proven to be a true puzzle for Tesla. The innovation behind the dry electrode coating is undeniable. However, the company faces difficulties in scaling up this production to meet the Cybertruck's demand on a large scale. Implementing this innovative process, while promising, encounters significant technical barriers when it comes to manufacturing the required number of cells daily. This difficulty in scaling production directly impacted the Cybertruck's delivery schedule. Delays in producing the 4,680 battery cells have been one of the primary factors behind the vehicle's delayed availability for consumers. The challenge lies not only in developing these cells, but also doing so at a pace that meets the demands of mass production, essential for realizing the Cybertruck. Consequently, the initial delivery schedule of the Cybertruck was affected by these obstacles in the production of the battery cells. It's a powerful reminder that, no matter how promising innovations are, scalability and adaptation for mass production are crucial steps that require complex solutions and a careful approach. In the saga of producing the Cybertruck, Tesla faces challenges not only with the battery cells but also with the manufacturing of stainless steel panels, fundamental elements for the futuristic pickup's exterior. The challenges at this stage are diverse and complex. Folding these thick stainless steel panels, which give the Cybertruck its distinctive and robust identity, has proved to be a more challenging process than expected. The malleability of this particular material has been a hurdle in the production line. These issues directly impact the vehicle's production and delivery. The difficulty in properly shaping the stainless steel panels delays the Cybertruck's manufacturing process. This not only affects the assembly line but also contributes to delays in the delivery schedule for consumers. Additionally, the complexity in producing these panels directly impacts the final vehicle's quality. Tesla is committed not only to delivering the Cybertruck on time, but also ensuring that each unit maintains the high-quality standards established by the company. Therefore, resolving challenges in manufacturing the stainless steel panels is crucial not only to accelerate production but also to guarantee excellence in the final product. Innovation and the introduction of uncommon materials can bring unforeseen challenges in mass vehicle production. Faced with substantial challenges in Cybertruck production, Tesla is adopting bold strategies to overcome these obstacles and bring this vehicle to the market on a mass scale. One front in this battle is expanding production facilities, and Tesla is making significant moves in that direction. The company acquired land in Shanghai, a strategic step that promises to have a considerable impact on resolving production issues. This expansion isn't solely focused on vehicle assembly, but also aims to house a megapack battery factory. This initiative highlights Tesla's vision not only to build innovative cars, but also to solidify its position as a leader in advanced battery production, essential for the operation of electric vehicles. With ambitious plans for the megapack battery factory, Tesla aims not only to solve immediate production challenges but also to establish a strong foundation for the future. The perspective is to significantly increase production capacity, creating a robust infrastructure that can meet the growing demand not only for the Cybertruck but also for Tesla's entire line of electric vehicles. This strategy not only demonstrates Tesla's commitment to facing challenges head-on but also reflects the company's long-term vision. The acquisition of land and the expansion for a megapack battery factory are not just temporary solutions. They are investments in the future of electric mobility and Tesla's position as a leader in this constantly evolving scenario. In summary, the new production facilities not only represent a response to current challenges but also a bold strategic step towards a future where electric vehicles are not just an option but the norm. Tesla is forging a path of strategic collaborations with Asian giants to tackle the challenges in Cybertruck production. The company is establishing significant partnerships with renowned companies like Ningbo Ranbei New Energy and Suzhou Dongshang Precision Manufacturing. These partnerships represent a bold initiative to optimize production and reduce costs. Tesla is actively seeking the knowledge and expertise of these companies to address the technical challenges that have arisen during the manufacturing of battery cells and other crucial components for the Cybertruck. By joining forces with Ningbo Ranbei New Energy and Suzhou Dongshang Precision Manufacturing, Tesla demonstrates not only the will to overcome immediate production challenges but also the commitment to establish long-term strategic partnerships. These collaborations exemplify Tesla's understanding of the importance of leveraging external expertise to solve complex issues in Cybertruck production. By combining resources and knowledge, Tesla aims not only to solve immediate problems but also to establish a solid foundation for future innovations and advancements in the automotive industry. Tesla's journey in Cybertruck production has been marked by twists and significant adaptations to its initial plans. One of the areas where this was most visible was at the company's factory in Germany, which faced notable delays directly impacting the vehicle's mass production. The delays at the German factory, initially planned to start large-scale production at a specific time, considerably impacted the Cybertruck's production schedule. This interruption had a cascading effect on the production chain, leading to adjustments in Tesla's strategic plans. This adversity forced the company to make rapid and significant adaptations to its original plans. Tesla had to reassess its deadlines, production strategies, and even make process adjustments to cope with these unexpected delays. The quick response capability and flexibility shown by Tesla in the face of these challenges are notable. Instead of being stagnant amid the delays, the company chose to review its strategies, make operational adjustments, and seek alternative solutions to keep the Cybertruck project on track. This situation in the German factory not only highlighted the unforeseen challenges that Tesla faced, but also showcased the company's ability to adapt and find creative solutions to overcome obstacles. Even with well-elaborated plans, unforeseen circumstances can arise. However, the true measure of success lies in a company's ability to adjust, adapt, and move forward, and that's precisely what Tesla is demonstrating. Recapping the challenges faced by Tesla in Cybertruck production, it's evident that the company has encountered significant hurdles throughout this process. From the difficulty in producing the 4,680 battery cells to the challenges in manufacturing stainless steel panels, the journey has been marked by technical and operational complexities. However, when examining the strategies adopted by Tesla to overcome these challenges, a glimmer of hope emerges. The strategic partnerships with Asian companies, the expansion of production facilities in key locations like Shanghai, and the pursuit of innovative solutions demonstrate a solid commitment to finding viable answers to these problems. Although the challenges persist, the strategies implemented by Tesla have the potential to positively impact overcoming these difficulties. Looking ahead, anticipating Tesla's next steps in solving these problems is a reason for cautious optimism. With ongoing investments, ongoing strategic partnerships, and an adaptable mindset, the company is positioned to navigate these production challenges and move towards mass realization of the Cybertruck.